What's going on? Welcome to another edition of Oil and Gears. Today's going to be a little short video. So on the Scion forums, a couple of them, I've seen people wonder how to take this back bumper, I guess you want to call protection. Some people like it, some people hate it. I kind of like it, but people ask, how do you take it off? I just started to peel it and it started to come up right here. This was the bumper that I got at the junkyard from an RS2 solar yellow Scion. So we'll paint this. As you can see, everything is pretty good, and we'll put it on mine because I have damage right here on my back bumper. So well, let's get to it. I'm hoping that it would just tear off all the way to the end, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Alright, so this side seems to be coming up. You got to make sure that you get the edges of the holes when you get there, that it doesn't rip. And that's what's letting me come this far in one piece. But I guess it's the glue that's on here. It stinks. It's really strong. I don't know, it smells like rubber, like burnt rubber. Okay, so the technique that I'm using is to go in an angle, and once you get to the edge of the circles, make sure that it doesn't rip, and then keep going slowly. As you can see, it just popped off really fast, but I mean, I got from here all the way here with really no problem. I had a couple of hiccups, but I saved it, so not too bad, other than the smell. The smell is really bad, the glue. I don't know what they used. Almost there. Alexa, play. So right here, once you get to the circle, make sure it doesn't rip and you get the whole piece. I'm surprised that went as well as it did. I guess it is possible to take this off without using any chemicals like WD-40 or Goo Gone or anything like that. You can just peel it off. And there isn't any like sticky residue. I mean, it's not sticky at all. There you have it. Taking off the back bumper protection, I guess you want to call it. I guess it's a lot easier that I have the bumper off, but I think that it's still the same even with the bumper on. It doesn't leave any sticky residue at all. Comes up with this, so I mean, it took me about 30 minutes just to take this off. There you have it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the flip side. Peace!